Meanwhile, the PNP will focus on the rearrest of Mancao, this instead of being distracted by Mancao's release of pictures of himself in public places. Alvin Baltazar reports.
The Philippine National Police has no idea on the possible motive of former Superintendent Cesar Mancao from taking pictures of himself in public places while authorities are supposedly going after him. The latest one was published in a daily broadsheet where Mancao posed in front of the Department of Justice. PNP spokesman Chief Superintendent Generoso Servo said that they rather don't dwell on Mancao's possible motive but rather just concentrate on how they could quickly arrest the fugitive.
Well, hindi natin mabasa kung ano man ang pag-iisip ni Cesar Mancao sa mga ginagawa. Pero basta ang punto rito, mandato ng PNP na yun, pulihin siya upang iharap siya sa batas. Gagawin po natin yan.
Servo added that it would be better for their former colleague to just submit himself voluntarily and face the proper forum instead of resorting to other diversionary tactics such as picture taking.
Payong kapatid para kay Cesar Mancao, yun, sumuko, harapin ng tama yung kanyang yung kaso niya at hindi yung sinasagot niya sa mga media, sa mga interviews. Harapin niya doon sa tamang forum.
Meanwhile, several classmates of Mancao at PMA Class 1986 said that they have no idea on the possible whereabouts of their mista. They likewise have no communication with their batchmate at the military academy who reportedly is in disguise. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.